We are finally launching the past paper session, the live past paper session from the 15th of March for O Level IGCSE students for you to ace your exams. In this session, you'll not just get us live solving papers for you guys, but you'll also get recordings of all the previous sessions so that you have a complete understanding of how to go about the exam questions and how do you solve them as per the marking scheme, as per the examiner comments, and how do you ace your exam. Even though if your studying is not up to the mark, even though if your preparation is not up to the mark, we will make sure to revise your entire course content through the past paper session. The past paper session is not to show you how good us teachers are at solving the questions, but it is to revise your entire concepts, it is to revise the entire course through the past paper session, and it is to solve each and every question conceptually. We'll be teaching you how to solve the alternative to practical paper. We'll be teaching you guys how to solve the theory paper. We'll be teaching you guys how to go about the MCQ paper. And along with all of that beauty stuff, we will also be conducting live marathon classes topic wise. So if in a past paper you get stuck on a particular topic and I feel like, this topic is a little weak for the students who might not have taken my course, we will be doing so many topic wise questions so that your entire concepts are all revised through this past paper session. You will also get a personalized portal just for yourself on our learning management system, which will help you get the recordings of the previous year's past paper sessions. You're going to get the recordings of the live classes as well, as in case you miss them, and you will also get the notes for it. You will also get so many other stuff. You're also going to get quick revisions. You're also going to get quick past paper questions topic wise. So it's going to be very, very easy for you to navigate through that portal, and it's going to be very easy for you to ace your exams. So what's the wait? See you guys all in the live past paper classes, which you're gonna enjoy a lot, because we'll also have Ramadan commencing during the past paper session, and we'll be solving so many beautiful questions, so many practice questions that you'll all just be enjoying the entire past paper session. We'll be chit-chatting, we'll be doing questions, and we'll be understanding the psyche of the examiner.